Welcome to the DWP-1010 and X530P installation guide. Let's start with the first step. Connect the DWP-1010 and X530P. Take the X530P and connect the power cable. Press the power button. Take the DWP-1010 and insert the SIM card in the SIM card slot. Push the SIM card until you feel a click. Connect the PoE cable to the DWP-1010. Connect the other end of the PoE cable to the X530P WAN port and ensure both units are powered on. Let's move to the second step. Open the FALCON app to set up the X530P and DWP-1010. Download the FALCON app from Google Play or the App Store. Open the FALCON app. Tap Install New Device. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the X530P. Follow the setup wizard to configure the X530P and DWP-1010. You will see that the device is able to access the internet after finishing the setup. Step 3. Use the Easy Site Survey app to find the best location for your DWP-1010. Download the Easy Site Survey app from the App Store or Google Play. Press the Wi-Fi button on the DWP-1010 to enable the setup mode. Scan the QR code on the DWP-1010 to connect to its Wi-Fi. Open the Easy Site Survey app and find the best spot for the device installation. To begin your site survey, select the Site Survey option in the app. Place your smartphone on top of the DWP-1010, then walk around the outside of your house or turn in place to find the best direction and position for a strong cellular signal. Now it's time for your last step. Mount the DWP-1010. Secure the base of the DWP-1010 by tightening the iron rings around the pole. Pass the PoE cable through the window. Pass the PoE cable through the DWP-1010's base. Reconnect the PoE cable to the DWP-1010. Secure the PoE cable. Place the DWP-1010 on its base and secure it by tightening the screws at the bottom. Setup complete. You're all set.
D-Link, one connection, infinite possibilities.